I want to show you AMVital's natural turmeric soap, which they have sent me so that I can share my experience of using it with you. We want to see what's in the box. We have 2 bars of soap and a nice little mesh bag to put it in. 2 layers of mesh. So let's open this. Oh, I wish you were here so you could smell this. It smells wonderful. Sort of spicy, but very pleasant. It's a great smell. That's a nice little size bar. It's an unusual square shape. Let's put one of these in the little bag. Work it in. There. And we'll close it up. Okay. Very nice. Here's a bowl with some warm water. I'm going to dip the soap into it, get it wet, and then I just want to see how it lathers. Oh, look at that. That is great. Then you can just hang this little bag up and let it dry. You don't have to have a messy soap dish. I really like that. So I will just rinse my hand. Rinses off nicely too. And dry my hands. That was a great experience. I really like it. You probably would like it too. I hope you try it.